Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning program organized by Modern English School, Nevada. Myself, Kunal Sharma, your mathematics teacher. So, this is our lecture number 3 of chapter 6, and today we are going to learn division of algebraic expression. Okay. So, first of all, you all know that there is a property x to the power m divided by x to the power n is equal to x to the power. If the base is same and powers are different and these two are in division, then the power is subtracted x to the power m minus n. For example, 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 3. That's equal to 2 to the power 5 minus 3 equals 2 to the power 5 minus 3 is 2. So we can write it like this. So this is the property you should keep in mind. Now we will start division. Now see here. First of all, we will learn monomial by monomial. M means monomial and P means polynomial. So we will learn how to divide monomial by monomial. So here 8x square y cube is a monomial and we have to divide it by negative 2xy, which is again a monomial. Now to divide a monomial by monomial, first write 8x square y cube here in this way and divide it by negative 2xy in this way. First of all, divide the coefficient. This is the coefficient 8 and minus 2. So we can divide 2 4 the 8. So this is negative 4 and here is x square and here is x. So what is the power? Power will be subtracted. Here the power of x is 2. So 2 minus 1. And here y, the power of y is 3. And here in the denominator power of y is 1. So it is a division. So power will be subtracted 3 minus 1. So what is our answer? Our answer is negative 4 x 2 minus 1. If the power of x is 1, then no need to write 1. Okay. Y square 3 minus. So this is our answer. Now we will see how to divide polynomial by monomial. So here 6x5 plus 18 x to the power 4 minus 3x square by 3x square. So here, see, this is a polynomial because it has more than one term, and this is a monomial. We have to divide it. So how will you divide it? 6x to the power 5 plus 18 x to the power 4 minus 3x square divided by 3x square. 3x square. Now here there are 3 terms and you have to, in the next step, you have to divide each term separately by 3x square. Like this, 6x5 will be divided by 3x square. Again there is plus sign, write plus here. Now 18x4 will be divided by 3x square. There is minus sign here, write minus sign. And here 3x square will be divided by 3x square. Now here you can cut, you can cancel 3, 2s are 6 and 2 times x to the power will be subtracted 5 minus 2. Now plus you can cancel it, 3 6 are 18, so 6 x to the power 4 minus 2. Power of x here is 4 and here is 2. So power will be subtracted 4 minus 2. And here in the denominator and numerator we have same 3x square. So this will be cancel out and we will get 1. Now here 2x to the power 3 plus 6x to the power square, 6x square minus. So this will be our answer. In this way you will divide polynomial by monomial. Now we will see how to divide polynomial by polynomial. Now the third case is polynomial by polynomial. Okay, here we have to divide this polynomial. This polynomial is how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms. Divide this polynomial consisting of 4 terms divided by the polynomial consisting of 3 terms. Now here, first of all, arrange this polynomial with the decreasing power of x. Arrange this polynomial with the decreasing power of x. So what is the term containing highest power of x? 5x cube. So write it first here. First of all, arrange it properly. Highest power of x will be first here, will be written firstly. Now secondly, the next highest power is 13x square. So minus 13x square, and after that there is 15x. Write 15x, and lastly you write the constant term. So here, now you have to divide this by this. Again arrange it. Highest power of x is the term containing highest power of x is x square. Write it first. The next term is negative 3x, and lastly write the constant term. Now you have to divide this term by this. So write 5x cube minus 13x square plus 15x plus 7 here, and divide it by x square minus 3x plus 4. Okay, here is 7. Now see here, you have to make first term of this. By what factor you should multiply x square so that you will get a term equal to 5x cube. So x square should be multiplied with 5x. X square should be multiplied with 5x. Then you will get 5x square into x is x cube. So we have to multiply each term by 5x. So here we will take 5x. Now 5x into x is 5x cube. Now 5x will be multiplied with minus 3x. So 5x into minus 3x is minus 15x square. Again 5x into 4 plus 20x. Now you have to subtract it. Change the sign of the second expression. Here nothing is there, it means plus. So change it to minus. Here is minus, so change it to plus. Here is plus, change it to minus. Now this will be cancelled out. Now here 15x square minus 13x square, 2x square, 15x minus 20x minus 5x plus 7. Now here, by what factor you should multiply the first term so that you will get 2x square. So x square should be multiplied with 2. So here write 2. So 2 into x square is 2x square. 2 into minus 3x is minus 6x plus 2 into 4 is 8. Here again change the sign of the second expression, minus plus minus, and this will be cancelled out. Now here 6x minus 5x is x, and here 7 minus 8 is minus 1. So now we cannot go further, because here the highest power of the degree of this expression is 2. Degree means, what is the degree? Degree of this expression is equal to 2. What is the degree? The term, the highest power of x in the algebraic expression is called its degree. So here the highest power of x is 2, so its degree is 2. And here the highest power of x is 1, so the degree of this expression is 1. So when you get the degree of the remainder less than the degree of the divisor, then you will stop the division. No need to go further. So what is your quotient? So this is your quotient. QUOTIENT. Quotient is equal to 5x plus 2, and your remainder is, this is your remainder. Okay. This is your remainder. In this way, you will do the division. So your today's homework will be exercise 6C. Homework. Note down the homework. Exercise 6C 1 to 15. Okay. Exercise 6C 1 to 15. Okay, students. Thanks for watching the video and complete your homework.